suspect vehicle is a black BMW.
How the hell did that get over there? Well, I guess the broken pole thingies is the answer to that question. Now, I want to zoom around everybody, but it's about that time. It's 6:30 when the cops all seem to start popping off. So I don't know if I can really have all that much fun. Jeez. Does anyone know how to make a smooth road in this part of the country? That's such a weird part of the road, where the center lane like gets 2 lanes wide briefly. I love it. And when I say I love it, I actually mean I hate it. Alright, see you, Ford Taurus. Is that a dude walking? That's gotta be hot. Why are we braking? It's green. Hello? What the Wake up, people. So is this just a popular fishing spot? Because people just seem to park there. I don't know. It's an odd choice if so, but maybe there is a lake there, I suppose. Ooh, C8 Corvette. Would have been fun to film one of those, but somebody bought it. Somebody bought the blue one I was gonna look at. It was Elkhart blue and everything. It was a 1LT, but it was still, you know, a pretty car. I remember you, Mr. Taurus. Well, heck, I guess maybe I have to like turn off the camera and be like, we're just gonna chill now, and it's totally done trying to make a cool YouTube video, and then something will happen? I'm not entirely sure. What's that truck up there doing? He looks like he's going a lot slower than 55. Clearly I'm tired. I should get over here, because he's not going to get going nearly as fast as the rest of us. Are we thinking about going the speed limit or what? Oh my God. Oh, you're about to get the segment in a couple seconds here. I don't think I've seen any trains yet. How do you say that? Shibber? Skibber? There's actually not as many variations of that I can think of. I thought I could think of more. All I could think of was 2. Shibber. Skibber. Jiber. I mean, it is almost 7 o'clock, but still, geez. You can open your window a little bit more than that. You're pressing your arm into the edge of the glass. That just seems kind of uncomfortable. What the heck is that? Oh, it's that blue C6 from earlier. I think it's got the top off this time. It's kind of cool. It's the right day for it. Tomorrow it's gonna frickin' rain. Luckily I won't be driving this tomorrow, so we'll be good. We'll be good. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. That is frickin' bright. How much battery do I have left? Like, nothing has happened. I'm just making all this footage. Alright, well, nothing's gonna happen. I'm gonna turn this off and let my wife know I'm almost home, and I'll see you guys in the next clip in a couple days. I'll be filming on Memorial Day.
the next day.
Hey guys, good morning. I'm on my way to work again, obviously. The series is called Free Roam, but I have zero freedom whatsoever. I have to make money to drive the car, to afford the car anyways. At least I have to afford the fuel. Luckily, the car is paid off, but geez. My next car won't be. Finished all my Nissan certifications, so now I am eligible for all the bonuses that I can get if I get good reviews from new Nissan purchase owners, peoples, which is kind of cool. I'm just going to put every bonus I get from Nissan towards the GTR fund. Not this GTR, but the R34 GTR. I'm going to have to wipe off the steering wheel. I spilled body armor on it. That was careless of me. Should have opened that before I started driving. I have my first appointment today, but because I'm a newbie, I can't do it all by myself. So I'm going to have to give half the credit to someone else as well. I went over a really bad sounding pothole on at the intersection by the Aldi's by the Weber Ford back there. So I'm gonna have to check my probably my front right rim just to make sure it's not beat to hell. I really hope these Illinois roads don't destroy the forged club wheels I'm getting for the M3 GTR, because boy, that would be heartbreaking. Hey, look. Car carriers. Got some auto car carriers on the train up there. Oh, hey Amtrak. Those were Genesis engines. Got some I like the yellow car carrier ones. I think those look kind of cool. The Genesis Amtrak train was cool though. Seeing those Genesis locomotives was neat. Those are my favorite Amtrak engines. I guess that's what I'll be doing as an old man. I'm gonna tell crazy stories, and I'm gonna build model trains. That's what I'm gonna do. Once cars are illegal, I'm just gonna play with trains and probably play video games if I have time. I don't play a whole lot of video games right now. But that thing is still there. Sir, you can't park there. Frick. Whatever.